Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning. I hope you are fine, students. In the last lecture, we have done item 15. Today we are going to do item 16. We will do the page 36 and 37 of your Active English Book 1. And this is your video 20, your lecture number 20. In item 16, you will learn about the adjectives. About the adjectives you learned before also. Now we will again in this item learn more about the adjectives. This is the page 36 in your book. Please, students, open your books in front of you, page 36, and please take your pencils with you. You will read this one and you will underline the adjectives. Okay? Picture number 1. In picture number 1, you can see a cat, small cat in the cup. Number 1, the cat is small. The cat is small. It is a small cat. It is a small cat. It is not a big cat. So you will underline the adjectives. The cat is small. You will underline the small. Number 2, it is a small cat. Small again, you will underline. It is not a big cat. You will underline the big. Small, small, and big. You will underline these words. These are adjectives. Picture number 2. Picture number 2, you can see a old woman. Old. Old is a adjective. The woman is old. The woman is old. Old is an adjective. You will underline the adjective old. She is an old woman. She is not a young woman. Young. Young is an adjective. So you will underline old, old, and young. Picture 3. In picture number 3, you can see a long dog. The dog is long. The dog is long. Long is an adjective. You will underline the long. It is a long dog. Again, you will underline the long. It is not a short dog. It is not a short dog. Short is an adjective. You will underline short. Picture 4. Picture number 4, you can see a boy. You can see a thin boy. The boy is not fat. Thin, slim boy. The boy is thin. The boy is thin. Thin is adjective. So you will underline thin. He is a thin boy. He is a thin boy. Again, you will underline the thin. He is not a fat boy. He is not a fat boy. So here you will underline fat. Fat, thin and thin are adjectives. Picture number 5. In picture number 5, you can see a cat. You can see a dirty cat. The cat is dirty. So dirty is adjective. You will underline dirty. It is a dirty cat. Dirty. It is not a clean cat. It is not a clean cat. So clean is a adjective. Dirty, dirty and clean, you will underline these words. Picture number 6. In picture number 6, you can see a boy. So you can see the boy is not happy. He is unhappy. The man is unhappy. Unhappy. Unhappy is adjective. You will underline the unhappy. He is an unhappy man. He is an unhappy man. Unhappy means he is not happy. Unhappy is adjective. So the last sentence is he is not a happy man. He is not a happy man. So happy and unhappy are adjectives. Okay, now this page 36 is finished now. You have to underline with your pencil the adjectives. Now we will do the next page. Our next page is page 37. The same item 16. Adjectives. Number 1. You can see the picture. Number 1, students, you can see here a basket and you can see a green ball in the basket. The green ball is in the black basket. So you will again underline the adjectives. What is the color of ball? Green. So green is adjective. You will underline the green and color of basket is black. So green and black are adjectives. The green ball is in the black basket. Is it clear? Now we are going to do number 2. In picture number 2, you can see 2 books. One book is fat and one book is thin. So the thin book is on the fat book. You can see in the picture, students. You can see in the picture. See, the thin book is on the fat book. We can also read this sentence like this one. The fat book is under the thin book. Huh? So the thin book is on the fat book. In this sentence too, thin and fat are adjectives. You will underline the thin and fat. Number 3. Number 3 again, we can see 2 books, fat book or thin book. The thin book is under the fat book. Again, thin and fat are adjectives. Number 5. In number 5, we can see a house and a tall tree. A tall tree and a small house. The tall tree is beside the small house. The tall tree. Tall is adjective and small house. Small is adjective. You will underline the tall and small. The tall tree is beside the small house. Now we are going to do the number 6. Number 6. Again, we can see a small house and tall tree in picture number 6. The tall tree is near the small house. The tall tree is near the small house. So, tall and small again are adjectives. Number 7. Picture number 7. In picture number 7, again we can see a small house and a tall tree. But you can see in the picture, see the house is behind the tree and the tree is in front of the small house. Now we will read this sentence. The tall tree is in front of the small house. The tall tree is in front of the small house. So students, you learn here in this page about the adjectives and the use of in, on, under, behind, beside, and in front of. Please see the pictures carefully. When you will see the pictures carefully, then you can easily recognize what is the meaning of in, on, under, in front, near, beside. Okay. Now we are going to do the read aloud words. Read aloud words. The words will make with the help of ALL. ALL. The first word is, you can see in the with the picture, ball. 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 B. First sound is ball. L. L. Last sound is L. Ball. 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 Wall. Next is wall. You can see in the picture, wall. Wall. W. W. V. W. A. W. The last sound is L. Wall. 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 The next word is, here you can see a small ball. A small ball. A small. Small. SM. Sun. ALL. Small. Small. Ball. 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 A small ball. A small ball mean, A mean one. One small ball. In the next picture, we can see a wall again, but this wall is tall. But this wall is tall. You can see a tall wall. Tall, tall. T-A-L-L, tall, tall, not short. Wall, W-A-L-L, wall, a tall wall. Okay, you have to learn these words with the spellings for the dictation. Please learn these words carefully. Moving forward to the next. Students, this is the page of your workbook book. The same item, item 16. You have to complete this page. This page number is 22. 22 in your books. Please open your books, this one, and you can see the adjectives here again. See here, all these are adjectives. You can see this list. All these are adjectives: big and small, old and young, black and white, short and long, sorry, thin and fat, big and small, clean and dirty, unhappy and happy. Please learn these adjectives carefully. Okay, with the help of these words, we are going to make the sentences. We will fill these sentences in the next page. The big dog is behind the tree. The small dog is in front of the tree. Picture number 2. The old man is on the chair. The young man is behind the chair. Picture 3. The black cat is, where is the black cat? On the table. The white cat is under the table. Picture number 4. You can see one book and two rulers. The short ruler is on the book and the long ruler is in the book. Number 5. The thin boy is in front of the tree. The fat boy is behind the tree. Number 6. The big dog is beside the basket. The small dog is in the basket. Number 7. The clean shirt is on the table. The dirty shirt is on the floor. Number 8. The unhappy boy is in the water. The boy who is in the water is unhappy. The happy boy is in the boat. The boy who is in the boat, he is happy. And the boy who is in the water, he is unhappy. So you have to memorize this list: big, small, old, young, black, white, short and long, thin and fat, big and small, clean and dirty, unhappy and happy. Okay. Yes, students, this our item 16 is finished now. You have to learn the spellings carefully and recognize the words, adjectives. Okay, I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.